Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Saturday, March 13th, 2021. It is 5:00 and 41 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, Scythian people. So let's hop to it. Scythian people weren't just nomadic warriors, but sometimes settled down. Varied diets and limited mobility challenge stereotypes of ancient steppe populations. Date March 10, 2021. Source, Plus. Summary. New research finds that Scythian people of ancient Ukraine led more complex lives than commonly assumed. The Scythian people who lived across the Pontic steppe around 700-200 BCE are often portrayed as a culture of nomadic warriors. But this idea is challenged by archaeological evidence that indicates a more complex and varied culture at this place and time. In this study, researchers employed isotopic analysis to investigate patterns of diet and mobility in Scythian populations. The authors measured isotopes of carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and strontium in human teeth and bones from several Scythian-era burial sites in Ukraine. Isotopes that reflect diet indicate that in some places there was a varied diet, including numerous domesticated crops, while isotopes that reflect geologic surroundings indicate that most people did not travel long distances during their lifetimes. These results support the growing understanding that Scythian populations were not a homogeneous culture, but a more diverse group, which in some places lived more sedentary lives with a dependence on agriculture. The researchers suggest that future studies should expand this work to compare multiple generations of people over more varied geographical locations. This work will help archaeologists move toward a more complete idea of what it meant to be Scythian. The research multi-isotope study challenges romantic notions of wide-ranging Scythian nomads. We show that while some individuals from classic Scythian contexts travel long distances, the majority remain local to their settlements, farming, millet, and raising livestock in mixed economic systems. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, computer science, and anthropology. I hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.